Hi guys, welcome to yet another tutorial. And now what I want to, teach us is something that would raise your visualization game to like 100%. And those are the icons we use, our logos, our icons, and basically everything that we use to denote something in our visualizations. Okay, for example, you can see this is the icon of the shop of the e-commerce store we're working at. As you can see, I gave it an icon and this is the name of the store. So I'm also going to show you some other videos I have worked on. Can you see all these icons? Can you see the can you see the logo of the store? For this, can you see the logo? Can you see the various icons I used to denote something? And can you see also the icon here? So these are the things we'll be working on today, just to see how you can step up your data visualization game and get it to like 100. Okay. So in order to do this, we're going to use the app called Canva. Canva is a very important design app. So if you want to do anything that has to do with designing of any sort, please have Canva standby. Okay, so now we're just going to go to Canva. So I'm going to go to my Google and open up my Canva, and this is what your Canva should look like. Okay, and the first thing you want to know about Canva is there's literally every single thing you want. Do you understand? If you want to even publish and create and publish a website or a portfolio or whatnot, it is all here. Okay, so when I want to work on my data set or when I want to like build a dashboard and I see that I'm going to be needing a logo. When I come on Canva, anything I'm working on at that point is what I'm just going to type, right? So I might just type e-commerce. So let's just see like e-commerce logo. So now you can see different logos. And if you've been following my videos, in fact, let me mention this now. You know, all the dashboards you saw here. Can you see all these dashboards? If you're interested in learning any of them, I'm working with any of them, I'm going to put the link in the description box below so you can work on any one you want. They are all interesting and you're going to learn a lot from all of them. Okay, so back to Canva, guys. Now you can see I typed e-commerce logo. And if you've been following some of my videos, you can see I've used this logo, I have used this one, I have used this one. And there are just so many you can use. Although I use the free ones, you can see all these ones, you have to be on paid subscription to use them. So there is no point using them, but you can definitely use this one. You can even play with the color. I've even used this as well. I've used this particular one as well. So you can see there are lots of templates that are not paid for that you can use. Okay, look at this, it's free, this is free, this is free. And what you have to know about using this template, so these logos are, it should also be in line with the colors you want to use for your visualization. Okay, if I want to use orange, for example, for my visualization, I don't have a reason to come and choose this particular template. It wouldn't make sense. Okay, when I have things like this and I have this one and I have even this one that has a touch of orange, so it has to be in tandem with the colors you're using for your visualization. So the idea behind it is, this is the brand you're working for example, you want to work with this particular brand. You can see that from their logo, their brand color is pink and white. So you want to do something, you want your dashboard to be around those colors. Okay, so it's going to be like, oh, I'm working for this company and I made use of their brand color. So that is the idea. So for example, let's go see bank logo. You will see that you have like a lot of options to choose as well. So let's see bank logo. Okay, see, this is about Bank of Finance, all right? As you can see, the name gives that finance advisor, okay? But this is pro, and we did not pay. So we're just going to keep looking for another one that is free. This is free. So now, for example, these ones that are free, you can just come and put, like I did one dashboard that I used Next Bank, right? So all I did was just write Next Bank, and that was all for that one. So you can see this is the thumbnail I made, but this is the visualization itself. Can you see Next Bank? So this is a very good place for you to get different kinds of logos. So for example, let us say we want to do something around music and I like this. So let us try working with this. So firstly, we'll just come here. Let's just click this template and you can see it gives us room to customize. You can see here, customize this template. And yes, we're going to go ahead and customize it. So now we have this here. The first thing we want to do now, what I would want to do is to, change this name. I'll probably put something small, something short, and let me just use my name and say Olive Records or Olive Studio. Okay, something like this is fine. Then the next thing I want to do is just reduce it to be smaller. Just going to push it up here. I'm going to remove this, delete it. I'm going to bring this one down. So yes, I'm just going to come here and I'm going to change this font. Just bring this down here. So you can put this as Olive Recording Studio, whatever the name of your own studio is. I'm going to remove this. Make it bold. Please copy it and then come use this color that we have here. And this is what we have. So you can either use this color or you can either use this one, or you can use this light one. So whichever one you want. Let's try out this light one and see. Okay. So now we've just, gotten the basics of it. You can still write whatever name it is you want here. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to save this. So just come to share, come to download. This is, you're in page 1, okay? So don't download all the pages, just choose page 1 and okay. So click download. Now I'm just going to save this as this in my download. Okay, so this has finished downloading. So the first step is gone. Now, the second step is to actually go and remove this background so that you can bring it into your Power BI. Okay, so if you're still here watching, that means you're gaining value of this video. Please take some time out to subscribe. This is a way of encouraging me to keep creating content like this. Yes, I'm waiting for you guys to subscribe before we continue learning. Okay, thank you all so much for subscribing. Please let me know in the comment section if you actually subscribe. Then don't forget to like so YouTube algorithm shows this video to a lot more people that would need this content. Okay, so let's get back to learning. Now we're just going to go to a new page, okay, and I'm just going to type remover.gb remove. Okay, this is the name of the page. Remove background for image free. I think I'll put the link in the description box below. So now this is what it looks like. This website has been saving me and it's totally free. Okay, and this is not an ad, trust me, it is totally free. Okay, so it's just going to come up. Now you can see where you can upload your image from. So I'm just going to come here and get that image. I'm going to put it in and it will just do its magic and woo. Okay, so now you've got a transparent image. I love this so much. Now you have to download because download for HD is not available. So I'm just going to download this. And how you will know is because it's going to put its remove bg.preview. So that's how you would know which one you're downloading. Okay, so now let's say you're in Excel or Power BI environment or Tableau, whatever visualization environment, and you want to bring in this logo that we have worked on. All you need to do is just go to insert in anywhere. As you can see, insert here. If you come to Power BI right here, you would see insert as well. Okay, so just look for the insert wherever it is you're working or whatever environment it is you find yourself in. And once we come to insert, you will see you can insert shapes, you can insert icons, you can insert 3D models, you can insert pictures. So I'm just going to come here and they're going to tell me place in cell or place over cell. I want to place over cell. So this one is specific to Excel right now. So now they're asking me where my picture is. Obviously it's in my device, right? Because I saved it in there. So this is going to take me to my device and I'm just going to go to my downloads and I'm going to get this picture. Remember, it has remove BG at the back and I would insert this. And this is what, can you see? Can you see the beauty? So you just make it as small as you want it to be and you put it wherever it is you want to put it, okay? You can put it here. You can put it down here, you can put it up here, anywhere it is you want to put it. So can you see how it is coming in without the background? And it is easy for you to put any single place you want to. So now let's look at how we can actually put like those little icons. For example, in Excel, I'm just going to delete this now because we're done with it. For example, in Excel, when you come to your insert, you can see icons. So it's very easy for you. So you just choose icon from the Microsoft stock images. Okay, so you can see glasses, you can see all these different icons. You can just pick them, and do what you want to do with them. That is fine. But if you don't have, if for example you're using Power BI, what I usually do is I go to my Google. So let me just open a new page. I'll go to Google and whatever it is I want to type. For example, if I want to get a dashboard icon, I'm just going to type dashboard icon. Can you see dashboard icon? And all these dashboards, I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to go to images. So now you can see all the different dashboards you want. So you just choose the one that represents what you want the most, if you want the ones that have colors and whatnot. But be careful so that the colors in your dashboard is not going to be a lot. Do you understand? So if you want to do orange icons, just come here and type orange dashboard icons. You will see orange. Then make sure all of your icons are the same thing. So for safety measure, just use black. Do you understand? You would never go wrong with black. But if you want to be on brand color, then please make sure you're using the same color, and let's not be having like 4 or 5 colors in one dashboard. It is not good practice. So for example, say we want this one, I'm just going to right click and you're going to see save image as. So I'll do that. And this is just going to be saved right here. Then the next thing we're going to do is go back to that interesting site I told you about, remove BG, and just click the plus sign here. I'm just going to go there and take this, open it up, and it's gonna work. It's magic. Now, can you see this? I'm just going to download this and save it. So now when I go to my Power BI environment or I go to my Excel environment, I can easily, bring this in. And I'm just going to go get the picture, device, and look at the one I got. So you can see this icon here. Can you see? No background. Look at how beautiful it's looking. So you just make it small or big or however way you want it. All these icons, look at this is it. But although this one I used from I got them from the icon store, the stock images, okay? But for the ones in Power BI, I got them from Google. It's been useful for me. I've been using it all this while, and it's been really useful. And I just wanted to show you guys because this will definitely take your visualization from 1 to 100. I mean, look at the way it looks here. Can you see the way it looks here? So you're just going to make it as tiny as possible, and it's just going to fit. Sometimes you don't even need to write all of this. All you just have to do is connect it, and it's just going to, be moving. So it adds more storytelling to your dashboard and makes your visual more appealing. Do not overuse it. Obviously, use it moderately. Okay. So now you've been able to learn how to bring in icons and how to, get brand logos into your visuals to up your visualization game. And I hope this is one technique you would always use to make sure you're acing your visualization game. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, definitely subscribe and like and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post videos like this. Until the next one, I'm going to see you guys then.